Bonjour et bienvenue à French with Ananya. Before we start today's video, tell me one thing. Which dress do you like? This one or that one? I think I like the one which my friend gave last week. You must be wondering why I'm asking such kind of questions today. This is because our today's video is about this one and that one. We are going to learn les pronoms demonstrative today. So let's begin. The pronoun demonstrative are used to replace a specific noun in a sentence. For example, if instead of saying I prefer this dress, I can simply say I prefer this one. So, pronoun demonstrative are of two types. Pronoun demonstrative simple and composé. Let's see composé first. Les pronoms demonstrative composé. Now, pronoun demonstrative composé are used to make comparisons between two or whenever we are having options. For example, which car do you prefer? This one or that one? So when I say this one or that one, these are pronoun demonstrative composé. So how do we say them in French? For masculine, we use celui, celui-là for saying this one and that one. For feminine, we say celle-ci, celle-là. For masculine plural, we say ceux-ci, ceux-là. And for feminine plural, we say celle-ci, celle-là. Now we use these ci and la to denote the nearness or farness. For example, if something is close to us, we can say celui-ci. And for example, if something is a little far, we can use celui-là. Let's see an example. Quel gâteau préférez-vous? Celui-ci ou celui-là? Je n'aime pas ce gâteau. Celui-là est meilleur. Another example. Quel roman préférez-vous? Ceux-ci ou ceux-là? Ceux-ci sont plus intéressants que ceux-là. Now let's see pronoun demonstrative simple. Pronoun demonstrative simple are used to say the one. For example, if I ask you, do you like this hat? So if I say no, I like the one which is on the table. So here I can use pronoun demonstrative simple. Let's see them. For masculine, we say celui. For feminine, singular, it is celle. For masculine plural, it is ceux. And for feminine plural, it is celle. They can be used to show possession also. For example, if I ask, est-ce que tu aimes cette voiture? I can say, no, j'aime celle de ton père. So to show possession, before the, we can use pronoun demonstrative simple. They can also be used whenever they are used as a subject or direct object in front of pronoun relative. For example, que, qui and do. Par exemple, je ne prends pas ce chapeau. Je prends celui qui est sur la table. So, in the sentences before preposition the, que, qui and do, we can use pronoun demonstrative simple. We also have neutral pronouns like ceux-ci and celle-là. They refer to the things which do not have gender. For example, the statements and the ideas. For example, c'est vrai, ce n'est pas vrai, cela ne marche pas. Now, let's do a small exercise to understand all the pronoun demonstrative better. Complétez avec les adjectifs démonstratifs ou les pronoms démonstratifs. Tu aimes dash chemise. Moi, j'aime dash de ta sœur. Now, always remember that before nouns, we will always use adjective demonstrative. So, cette, c'est. Okay. So, here because chemise is feminine singular, we'll use adjective demonstrative cette. Moi, j'aime dash de ta sœur. Now, here because we are talking about possession, me, I like the one of your sister. So, here we'll be writing celle because chemise is feminine. Next one, dash ordinateur ne marche plus. Je vais utiliser dash qui est dans ta chambre. Again, ordinateur is a noun, So we'll be using adjective demonstrative here. Adjective demonstrative CET because ordinateur begins with a vowel. Je vais utiliser dash qui est dans ta chambre here because we are talking about the one I'm going to use the one which is in your room. So because we are having pronoun relative qui after the blank, we'll be using adjective demonstrative celui for masculine ordinateur. Next one, dash petit chat sont à vous? Non, ce sont dash de mon voisin. Now here, chat are again noun, and because they are masculine plural, we'll be using adjective demonstrative ces, say. Non, ce sont ceux de mon voisin. Here, because we are talking about possession, we are having preposition the, so we'll be using masculine plural pronoun demonstrative ce. Next one, dash peintures si sont plus belles que dash. Peinture is a noun and it's feminine plural, so we'll be using say. Now here, because we are doing comparison, so that's why we'll be using celle. These paintings are more beautiful than those one. Next one, j'achète dash manteau par dash. Now here manteau is a noun and it is masculine, so we'll be using adjective demonstrative ce. J'achète ce manteau. I'm buying this coat, not that one. So here, because after the blank we are not having any noun or any pronoun relative, so we can use celui-là. So I'm buying this coat, not that one. Next, quelle fleur achètes-tu dash ou dash? Now you can see that we are comparing here. We are giving choice also. Which flowers are you buying? These one or those one? So since flowers are feminine and plural, we'll use celle-ci ou celle-là. Next one, c'est ton écharpe? No, c'est dash de Pauline. Now here, because we are talking about possession, no, this belongs to Pauline, so we'll be using celle because écharpe is feminine singular. Next, dash qui ont fini leur devoir peuvent donner leur cahier. Now here, after the blank, you can see that we have used pronoun relative qui. So because we are talking about those who have finished their homework, so here we can use masculine plural ce. Next one, montre-moi dash photo et dash. So here, because photo is feminine singular, and it's a noun, so we can use adjective demonstrative cette here. So show me this photo and that one. So to say that one, I can use celle-là. Next, ne mange pas dash. You can see that this is a normal statement and it's not having any noun which is having any gender. So we can use a neutral pronoun here. We can use cela. Ne mange pas cela. I hope the pronoun demonstrative are clear to you. In case you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. There is also a link of adjective demonstrative in the description, which you can refer. Now here's an exercise for you to practice. You can check your answers at the end of the video. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.